Welcome to our video on understanding LiverGuard Plus. In this comprehensive review, we will provide you with all the essential information you need to know about this supplement. Whether you're new to the topic or looking to dive deeper, this video is perfect for beginners. LiverGuard Plus is a natural dietary supplement that is specially formulated to support and protect liver health. It is made with a unique blend of ingredients that have been scientifically proven to provide numerous benefits for the liver. This supplement aims to enhance liver function, promote detoxification, and support overall liver health. LiverGuard Plus offers several key benefits for liver health. Firstly, it helps in detoxifying the liver by eliminating harmful toxins and impurities. Secondly, it aids in promoting optimal liver function, thereby enhancing overall well-being. Additionally, LiverGuard Plus provides antioxidant support, reducing oxidative stress and supporting liver cell regeneration. These benefits contribute to improved liver health and overall vitality. LiverGuard Plus contains a powerful blend of natural ingredients that work synergistically to support liver health. Some of the key ingredients include milk thistle extract, artichoke extract, dandelion root extract, and N-acetylcysteine. Each ingredient has its own unique properties and benefits for liver function. Together, they form a potent formula that provides comprehensive liver support. LiverGuard Plus is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The recommended dosage is insert dosage. It is advised to take the supplement with a meal and a full glass of water for optimal absorption. As with any dietary supplement, it is important to follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional if you have any specific concerns or medical conditions. In conclusion, LiverGuard Plus is a comprehensive liver support supplement designed to enhance liver function, promote detoxification, and support overall liver health. With its scientifically backed ingredients and numerous benefits, it can be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Remember to always follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare professional if needed. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of LiverGuard Plus.